Hi guys, so today I've just been delivered my Glossybox and I have version 3, so really looking forward to this. I've not got that many subscription boxes left because I've cancelled a few of them because compared to like Glossybox, they just weren't, like the samples, like the sizes of them were just ridiculous for what you were paying. Like Birchbox was so tiny compared to like Glossybox, and there was like maybe, I think there was like 50p in it. So I'm excited this one's here. Let's have a look. So it's the standard pink box it has come in. So this is the normal one, so open it up. Let's show you what's inside, if I can get it open. Feels really light this month, so this is what's inside. So I'll go through the sneak peek at the end. So let's have a look, see what we got. So this is what I got. Don't know if you can see that there. So let's have a look. So the first thing I have is this, which is a Boots Tea Tree Witch Hazel Peel Off Face Mask. Now you could receive one of two, and the other one, shh, Tobias please, was with activated charcoal. And the RRP for these are, oh, so these are the travel size ones, so these are worth £1. Are they travel size ones? Yeah, so these are the travel size ones, so these are worth £1. Or you can get the full size versions of them for £3.50 or £4, depending on which one you pick. So that's that one. Whoa, what is this? So this this is a Manica Dart Bloom Mascara Jet Black. I'm so glad I've got some mascara. I literally ran out the other day. So this Bloom Mascara RRP is £23. I'm gonna have to open this and have a look. I do love getting makeup, I really do. Not that I've been wearing much makeup lately because it's been so hot it just melts off my face. So have a look. So let's have a look at the wand, see what the wand's like. So it's quite a chunky wand. So I'm not going to put it on now because I'll probably end up looking silly and end up with it all over my face. So yeah, so the RRP for that is £23 and it's full size. That feels really nice. So the next thing is, oh God, I can't even pronounce that. Omorovitska. It's cleansing foam. So this is travel size. So this one is worth £18, but the full size is £52. So yeah. So this is cleansing foam. Don't think I'd ever use it, but we shall see. So next thing I have is this, which is Palmer's Coconut Oil Body Lotion in Natural Bronze. Oh. So these are the travel size ones, and you could receive one of two. And the travel sizes are £2.49, or the full sizes are £5.99. So this is gradual tan for all skin types. There's 20ml in there. I'll probably get maybe one of my big fat legs covered in it, but yeah, we'll see about that one. And I think this is the last one, and I believe this was the sneak peek from last month. It's Moroccan oil, and this is travel size. So the travel size is worth £13.45, but if you wanted to get the full size, it's £31.85. So let's have a... So this is what you get. So you can use it on your hair. Oh, I think it's just for your hair, which I do like putting oil in my hair. It does feel very nice when I do. So I'm going to definitely be trying that out. So this is everything that we got in the box this month. So we have the cleansing foam, the tan, the face mask, the mascara and the oil. So I'm quite happy with this box because I probably will use most of it or give it a whirl. Now, sneak peek. Look away now if you don't want to know what's in the sneak peek next month. But the sneak peek next month is this. I don't know if you're going to see, if my phone's going to focus. No, it's not going to focus. So, it's our birthday next month and we're making this special occasion the one way we know how, with pink sparkles and glitter. To celebrate, we are treating you to your favourite brands and top picks, including a Huda Beauty strobing metallic lip gloss, a light rose hue with gold reflections. The lip gloss will add a touch of shimmer and shine to your pout. So that sounds really cool. I'm looking forward to getting that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'm really happy with this box this month. And I can't wait to try that mascara out. I'll have to do maybe a little review and see what I think of it. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell icon so every time I upload a video you get a notification. And yeah, tell me what you think about the box. Let me know if anybody else got anything different. I don't think I've seen anybody else open their Glossybox yet, so I don't know if I've got mine early or not. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.